Alright, keep in mind this is really goes above and beyond normal field stripping. This is just a deep clean. I like to do this every time I get a new gun. I'll start with taking the firing pin out, push it in, slide this plate that retains it down, hold the back with your finger so that the firing pin doesn't go flying across the room. There's a lot of pistols that are similar to disassemble like this. Anyways, the retaining plate just slides down and off. That's that. Here's the firing pin and the firing pin spring. And the extractor is removed by driving out the pin on the top. It's spring tension, so shouldn't be too difficult. Okay, that's the extractor pin. Little punch is a nail. Here's the extractor and extractor pin. Sights can be removed. The front sight has a roll pin. It can be driven out from either side, and then the sight itself driven off the front. I'm not going to do that, nor the rear sight. Rear sights are typically taken off from left to right and driven back on from right to left. Guess the Czechs like to stake the rear sight place as it is in this model. Not going to reassemble it right now because it does need a good cleaning. But guess I'll cut away and when it's clean, come back and do it.